If you've ever needed a professional looking ticket for an event, giveaway, or promotion, but didn't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create a custom ticket design using Canva on your PC, step by step, even if you've never designed anything before. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, it only takes a minute to create for free. Once you're on the homepage, look for the search bar at the top. Type in ticket and press enter. Canva will instantly show you a wide range of ready-made ticket templates. Take a moment to scroll through the designs and pick a style that matches your event, whether it's a concert, raffle, party, or business promo. When you find one you like, click it to open the preview, then select Customize to start editing. This takes you into the Canva workspace where you can change every part of the ticket. Begin with the text. Click on any text box and replace the sample content with your event name, date, time, venue, price, or any other details people need to see. Make sure everything is readable and neatly placed. You can adjust fonts, colors, and size from the toolbar at the top until everything feels balanced. Next, personalize the design itself. You can change the background colors, swap out decorative elements, or add your branding. If you have a logo or an image for the event, just upload it and drag it into a place. Resize or move elements until the ticket matches your vision. Once your design looks good, zoom out and check the layout for spelling, spacing, or anything that needs a final tweak. When you're satisfied, click the download button in the top right corner. Canva lets you save in formats like PDF or PNG so you can print or share your tickets digitally. And that's all it takes. No graphic design experience, no complicated software. A polished professional ticket made right on your PC with Canva. If this walkthrough helped you, stick around for more design tips and tutorials and let me know in the comments what you want to create next. Thanks for watching and happy designing.